Alright, what's up? My bad, y'all. I forgot to even start. I just started doing my hair. I forgot to start the video. But I just want to come on real quick and let y'all know I'm just redoing my hair because I tried to do a twist after blow drying. But we had to do like kind of a last minute trip. And yeah, no. It did not because it just sit there. I sweat it. I slept on it. I sweat it. Doesn't even look like I blow dried it, but you know, so I'm gonna try this one more time. So we doing a braid out this time, cause I don't know what's going on. Look crazy.
Brighter than I know it. Grow like a lotus. I I drink my water, get my sun, visit the ocean. I pour into myself until I'm overflowing. This isn't hoping, it's in the knowing. Oh, destiny calling me, pain on me, it's within. Angels all around me, high tune, I listen. To my soul I am devoted. So I ebb and flow. I ebb and flow. I ebb and flow. Ebb and flow. I am the woman of my own dreams, taking time to truly go and get to know me. Sit in solitude, I journal and I blow.
Just my